Hello, Kara Hopper here. I'm going to give you a brief demonstration of using one last database that has a concept map, actually circular map as well as tiles. And I'm going to show you how to use it. I'm going to click BCC Library, and then from there I'm going to go to the A to Z database, and I'm going to go to opposing viewpoints. So I'm just going to click the O to take me to databases that begin with the letter O, and I'll click opposing viewpoints. And what you want to do once you get here is you want to click advanced search, and then you want to go to topic finder. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the topic finder to help us narrow a topic down. So I'm going to type in here climate change, which is kind of a familiar topic I keep picking. And I'll hit the little magnifying glass. And when I do that, you see these tiles open up, which is really kind of cool. And then they're populated. Now, I could look at this as a wheel as well, but I personally find the tiles easier to navigate. That's just me. So I'm going to, from climate change, I'm going to try, let's try greenhouse gases. Okay, and from here I can see I'm already getting articles that are showing up on the right. If I click environmental policy, I wind up with a number more articles. See, Supreme Court takes on climate change. Let's see, I'm going to click on that one. I don't know how old this is. Oh, June 2022. Okay. So, Supreme Court takes on climate change, be afraid. So this is coming from Washington Monthly. And here is an article. And this is in opposing viewpoints, which oftentimes gives me different sides of a story. And it tells me, how long the article is. I can go ahead and email it. I can download it. I can print it. I can send to Microsoft Drive. I can send it to Google Drive. I can listen to the article. Sometimes people like that. It does kind of sound like a robot, though. But some people like that because it helps them, especially with technical articles, if they hear it and read it at the same time. And I could also print it, download it, get the permalink if I want to include the link in Moodle and send it to my professor if they happen to want that. And I could also cite the article because there's your citations, MLA 9, APA 7, Control C will copy it, or if I just click select, we'll copy it, and Control V will paste it. And oftentimes over on the right-hand side, there are more articles that I can explore. So if I click all related articles, I wind up with a batch of articles. I might want to choose things that are more up to date. Supreme Court limits EPA's power to combat climate change. So that's from the Washington Post, which is that as an article would probably be a little bit more left of center than the article I was looking at. Christian Science Monitor, well, it's a little old. That tends to be the middle of the road. Let's see what other ones are here. Some of these are older. Manila Bulletin. Interesting. So again, I can search further, or I could just go back to my topic finder and redo the search if I want to. I was in environmental policy. Maybe I want to click instead of, global warming, greenhouse gases, and then choose another article here. Give me dates. Dates are important, especially if it's anything scientific. Let's see, I don't know how old this guy is. Update 2022, Europe climate change. So here's another article, main ideas to focus on. And this is coming from Gale Global Online. So this is more of a reference type article, but I could explore further with articles. It looks like there's a batch here from different publications. I can, it just helps me narrow my focus down to something more specific. I might find something in an article that seems to be interesting, jot down some of the key terms and keywords that I find, and then I can always go back and do a search either in EDS or go to the individual databases. We have A to Z databases, maybe search subjects and see if I can find which databases are environmental. Any of them mention environmental science. Environmental studies, we have a batch here, environment complete. And then with the terms that I discovered in the opposing viewpoints topic finder, I might want to include those in a search on this database and use those and then search further for more articles. Thanks so much for watching this. Take care.